Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have a greatest update from Accenture. That is Accenture is have started hiring for 2022 batches. Okay, from 2022 batches. So let's see in detail like who can apply for that, how can you apply everything. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding anything that we upload. Okay, so let me start with it. So they're hiring for System and Application Services Associate 2022. Let's have a look at the job description. So here you can see what would you do. Application cloud engineer, project control services, low or no code app development, test automation engineer. Okay, so here they have mentioned what we need. So that is the eligibility criteria. Okay, so here they've mentioned all streams or branches of MCM, MSc, MA, MCom, MFA, BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, BBA, BVOC, BMS, and other 2022 graduates will with full-time education only. Okay, so here they have mentioned all these branches as well. And one more criteria is and other 2022 graduates. Okay, so what does that mean? Other. Okay, that is and other 2022 graduates, other 20, I mean who all the graduates who's about to pass by 2022. Okay, so here this opening is having low or no coding application development. They will be hiring for the software engineer role too for BE BTech students. But if you would like to get into this profile by going through the job role and all, you can apply it in here. Okay, because they have mentioned other 2022 graduates with full-time education only. Okay, so if you belong to full-time education and you are a 2022 batch, I mean year of passing student, then you can apply it over here. And no part-time and distance education will be considered. No active backlogs during the application. Okay, so as per the 4th or 5th semester, which is the latest, or during onboarding. Now, maximum 1 year gap in education post 10th standard till completion of graduation. That is that you should not have any gaps, but if you have 1 year of gap between 10th standard and graduation beginning, then it's fine. Okay, so graduation will be like 3 years, and here they have mentioned about the postgraduates too, so 2 years. So that should be completed in a like in the right manner. Okay, in that particular time itself. Candidate should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment assessment or interview process in the last 3 months. That's also criteria. Okay, so before moving to next criteria, I have something very important of an updation from Online Study for You. That is for InfyTQ 2023, live classes have begun, and it is about to begin from 5th of January. So registration have already begun. So if you would like to make your registrations, please go with the link that I've mentioned in the description. So the features of this class will be 15 hours of live classes with doubt clarification. This will be pretty much useful for systems engineer, TSC, and SE roles. Okay, so if these roles are dream for you, then definitely this is going to help a lot for you, because so much of details, so much of questions, so much of contents will be discussed in that, and it will be carried out by Ubasana ma'am, who is a software development engineer at Flipkart. Okay, so you can go with the link. The registration fee is just 199. For this 199, you are getting immense contents which will help you to prepare and which will help you to get into higher roles in Infosys. Okay, core jobs, higher roles in Infosys. So this has been, I mean, the normal Infosys previously to all the Infosys interviews, our students have confirmed that the courses, pre-recorded courses that we have for Infosys pretty much useful for you. So on that request and with that feedback, we have started this. So this will be very super beneficial for you. So if you would like to get in, you just have to spend 199. It's a very mega price with respect to the content that you are getting. Okay, so please do have a check at that. It will be available in the application as well. So go with the link that I've mentioned in the description, so you get to know all the details regarding the same. Okay, so let's come back to the Accenture registration. So ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster, good analytical and problem solving skills, and proficient in verbal and communication skill. Candidates must be eligible to work in India, either by citizenship or relevant work per minute. Okay. As we provide service for clients across the globe, we expect you to be flexible to work across the different times or shifts. So these are the eligibility criteria mentioned over here. So I think it's pretty much clear to you. So this role is for system and application service associative. So they usually hire for software engineer too. So that opening is yet to open. So where that will be most probably available for B Tech, MA, Tech students. So if they put forward, I mean, if they made that link active, I'll share as soon as possible. Okay, so this is for I think all the things it in here is pretty much clear. So this is a registration form to go. So it's a pretty same registration form that Accenture to follow every time. So source details you can give it over here, your personal information, then your education details, your professional details. Do you have an offer letter in hand or internship details, anything? Then skills details, certification, if any, language certificate, preferred job location, other details. Then your attachments, that will be your CV and your passport size photo. So when you go with the link itself, they have mentioned you should follow some instructions for the passport size photo. So kindly follow that and upload it over here. Then government photo ID card. If you have a PAN card, you can go with that. Then disability declaration, and yes, ready to go. Okay. So once you apply for this, you will get the assessment link and all kind of further selection process will be held through virtually. So you will get the link and every details through mail. You will receive them. You just take part in the selection process and get onto the job. Okay, so this is it. And systems application services associative to the previously, it is around 4 plus LPS provided. So this will be the average ATC that you will be receiving around. Okay, so this is it. So once more, I'm reminding for the core software engineer job for BE, Tech and all. If they make the link active, I'll bring that soon as possible. So this is particularly for system and application service associative. Okay, and for 2022 passing out batches as well. So I think all the eligibility criteria, then the application process, everything is pretty much clear to you. So if you have any of the further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. And suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.